Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store, the app gallery, and after that here in the search field we should enter Ampere or Ampere meter. Now we should get this application, tap to get, click to continue. Now just let's wait while our application will download in here on our device. That always takes a couple of seconds. Now just let's tap to allow and click to install. Now our application successfully installed, so let's just find the app in the apps menu. Let's click yes, I agree, pick to close, tap to OK. And now we can see here information about our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 32 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the level, capacity, voltage, model of our smartphone and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.